Sanbonani and welcome back to the channel. Yay wegayizini, yay kushubile kuthando nesethembu. Well, yeah guys, on tonight's episode finally sizobona usuku lwe-trip that Umosa Mseleke has been talking about. It as finally officially ilanga lokuthi kuyiwe a tripping. And also guys, on tonight's episode Bona Umakhumalo. We have not seen Umakhumalo Nomangwabe Nomayeni as well in a minute. Okay, in a minute. I think it has been 3 to 4 episodes without them. So finally, Umakums is going on a trip, and the kids also are gonna be available on the trip. Now, guys, yeah, good sense, guys. I think we have all seen last night's episode where Umakwela announces her pregnancy. Now, Umusa posted this on his Instagram just after last night's episode aired. So, Musa's Instagram post reads, "It does not matter what we are going through now. What is important is the love we have for each other." And this is the beautiful photo she posted of himself and Umakhumalo. So guys, it definitely it seems like there is a troubles in paradise between Umusa and Umakhumalo, because why would Musa caption this beautiful picture like this? Okay, so they are definitely going through it. Yeah, guys. Umjolo uzogowisha or umshado, whatever you wanna call it, uzogowisha. Because guys, at some point I was convinced with Umakhumalo legit doesn't have a problem with Musa taking another wife. I understand ukuthi indawo manje sekunomgowo. I understand ukuthi why it seems like things are tense between Umusa and Umakums. Honestly, I don't understand, and I'm honestly deeply failing to understand why is it it seems like there is a problem. Could it be because Samke fell pregnant first than Umakhumalo? Or could it be because Umakhumalo, Umusa, wathatha intombazane yasendaweni? But still, guys, you know, Umakhumalo on the previous season, I think from season 1 till season 7, baby girl has been expressing that she couldn't be bothered if Musa were to add another wife. But when it's officially happened, when it's finally happened, baby girl have a huge problem. No. Now she have a problem. Now it's too early. Now what's the rush? Now this, now that. Babes, you've been saying this for the past seven seasons that you don't have a problem. Why on season 8 now it's the rush? Now you have a problem? Sana, I don't know what's happening between Umusa and Umakhumalo, but let me tell you, something is definitely up. Anyway guys, like I said, it's officially the day of the trip, and Umangwabe, our queen. I love Umangwabe, okay? I love her so much because, listen, she is on the trip. She said she's going on the trip. And guess what she said? She said it is her last trip with the Mseleko family. Aye, guys, you remember on 2 weeks back or so, Mangwabe said it is her last time celebrating a birthday with Musa. Now it's her last family trip. Like lalela we guys, in ama last kaMangwabe sisazobona next week kuzobe kuyi last family dinner, kuyi last gathering, yay sisazofa ama last kaMangwabe. Anyway guys, it seems like there is a tension between Umangwabe, Nothobile, Nosine. Now, Usne told us on yesterday's episode ukuthi akabathandi Umangwabe Nothobile. Then Umaceleke wamcorrect wathi no, they are not yours to like, baby girl, they are not yours to like. So nje wena vele ubahloniphe ubathathe ngokuthi bawuma wakho and all that. So guys, angazi ukuthi ubani bahlatse ndawonye, but yep, bahleli ndawonye as you can all see. uMangwabe, uMpilo, uThobile, then usine guys nesibona ukuthi isitro sakhe asikho close nesikaThobile. It's like usithathile wathi ukushiftisa kancane aside so that engeke sehlale too close noThobile. Then ke usine our queen, our girl wathi nje uzothatha ifoni yakhe kuze engahluphi umuntu ngoba nje ukuhlupha abantu vele washo ke Nkosi yami Matle usine wathi nje nakuyamhlula ukuhlupha umuntu. So wathi nje uzothatha ifoni yakhe ebe busy ecofa. So usine uyasho ke la ku diary ukuthi yena akabakhulumisi. And noMangwabe naye ku diary uyasho ukuthi no, it's actually her first time ehlangana noSine. Like guys, I am so confused. Cha shemicela ngamsele gulikhulu I must say because I understand ukuthi I first time yakhe kanjani ehlangana noSine behlala egcikeni elodwa because uSine uhlala endlini yakaMacele eMzumbe then uMangwabe ke kwathi uhlala ngasegatini kodwa noma kuthi uhlala ngasegatini guys ufuna nje uthi icela kamsele gulikhulu ngalendlela yokuthi umuntu ohlala naye egcikeni awumboni. I cha shame ngahlahla unefarm umusa because I understand ukuthi what exactly did Mangwabe mean umethi nje uyaqala nqa ukumbona uma uSine since uSine waya ku podcast wafike wakhuluma ngabo. And also guys into ecasula uMangwabe noMakhumalo kahlahla ngiyazi ukuthi yini because I felt like they should be addressing it right now on this season because if uSine mhlawumbe wanqabela amanga uMangwabe ngendaba ye Rose because what I remember on podcast uSine washo ukuthi angazi noma wayovakasha kwaMangwabe wafike wadla iRose uMangwabe wamthethisela iRose. So if ayikho leyo nto mhlawumbe uSine was making it up uMangwabe ngabe useyamconfronta manje khona nathi sizothola iclarity you get ukuthi hayibo Sine indaba wathi mina ngacincisha iRose where else mhlawumbe ngathi ngendaba yeRose but ke uSine naye imdala guys uSine is a very grown woman. She is definitely in her 30s to reason and sometimes uzamkhuluma nomuntu omdala ngaleyo ndlela it's a bit difficult. So ngiya understand ukuthi indaba uThobile benoMangwabe bevele bethi nje ayingangathi lena asiyeke ayifuni thina futhi ayingangathi at all you know but ke guys it's very confusing ukuthi uMangwabe benoSine not just uMangwabe benoSine abakase bebonane behlala egcikeni elodwa hayi ke guys our queen ke usesitshelile ke lana uMangwabe ukuthi nje yena it's her last time ko family trip. Hey guys angazi you know when it comes to uMangwabe ku tricky I can't really say she means it. I really can't, you know. But yeah, guys, because she have been saying ukuthi uzohamba, and now we are legit. I don't know, guys. I heard that there are 50 episodes that are supposed to air on this season, and we are halfway there because now we are going to be watching episode 25, I think. Episode 25. So there are 50 episodes. Okay, so that means we are halfway through the season 8, but still uMangwabe usekhona ke sana ukhona uMangwabe uhappy uhlala nje lapha kaMseleku. She's living her best life, you get. So le ndaba yakhe ukuthi uyahamba questionable asazi mina ngizoyibelieve the day ngibona iTruck the day ngibona iTruck izoqoqa lapha kwaMangwabe egatini, that's the day ngizobelieve ukuthi ngempela uMangwabe uyahamba but till then ngeke guys ngeke. And not to say sifuna ukuthi ehambe, sifuna ukuthi ayeke ukuthi uyahamba, yeka Mangwabe accept ukuthi indoda yakho uyayixolela noma kwanja. You know, personally I don't want her to leave her marriage, I really don't. However akayeke ukuhlala every episode nango season 9 uMangwabe usethi ngiyahamba mina, hayi ngeke kafethu ngeke kasenze kanjalo uMangwabe mangahambe kakhambeki mama sizo understand, yes sikujudge but yeka. Anyway guys, let me tell you last night's episode was a beautiful episode for me, very beautiful. Okay, so umusa futhi umusa bafethu no mungamaza umazi because thina vela simazi, but I think abafazi bakhe they can legit write a book about this man. Hayi-ke uMusa-ke received news, izindaba from uSamke that she is with a child. Yeah, guys, yazini ungazicabanga ukuthi abantu baya-actor, ungazicabanga ukuthi umdlalo lento akuyona nje iqiniso, it can't be true, you know. Until baby girl pull up a pregnancy test on us and was like, what do you even mean? I am pregnant, I am with a child. Let me tell you, the excitement kubabakhe, yay, the excitement kubabakhe was over the moon. Joyous celebration, ubejabule into engena science. You would swear that this was his first child. That's just how happy ubabakhe was. Babakhe was thrilled. Ubabakhe ubejamba ubexhuma xhuma into nje enga-understandeki. That's how happy uMusa was receiving the news that Samke is pregnant. So therefore now Musa said, listen, I think the right thing to do here ukuthi siye kumacele siyomreportela phela indaba zethu ezimnandi kangaka ukuthi I am with a child. Okay, so now uMusa ke ukufuna kwakhe ukuyoreportela umacele makes many people to question ukuthi kahle kahle umacele irole kamacele ke manje isithini, because ayisa understand at all. Is she still Musa's wife? Is she Musa's mother? Kwenzakalani, because ngisho nesisu sibikwa kuye. Hawema guys, I must say ukuthi umacele u-strong guys. Awumagine nje indoda yakhe singena nentombi izobika isisu kuwena. Ayi ngeke guys, umacele u-strong. So ke guys, yeah, umacele at this point asazi noma umfazi kaMusa noma uma kaMusa noma uGokflow lapha eMzumbe, but ke lalela guys, isisu uMusa nje bakungenzeka emithise isisu sibikwa kumacele sesiyazi manje, because nango phela uSamke ezobika isisu nendoda yakhe ezosibika kubani? Kumacele, you get. So angazi guys, you know, this makes me wonder ukuthi I really wonder ukuthi abanye abafazi, how will the other wives feel, especially Makhumalo. Guys, I know this is not a competition at all, but you know, with Makhumalo not having a child for so long, and manje Sam kuyafika musha and she's already pregnant, like it sounds and looks distasteful. And I just wonder how will she receive this news of Samke being pregnant and all that. You know, I'm just assuming that it's not gonna be the greatest news ever. But yeah, guys, umacele yena on the other hand angazi noma ujabulile noma ushock, angazi ushockwa yini ngoba phela uyazi ukuthi abantu mabethandana benzani. Benza izinto zabantu abathandanayo. So angengazi ukuthi what will shock and shook umacele, but sana Macele looks shook. Macele looks shook. The look, you know, the look is looking. The look is saying, I am shocked, Samke. I wasn't expecting the news that you are with a child. So guys, honestly, if there's one thing that I'm looking forward to is to see ukuthi uMusa uzowabikela kanjani ke manje lawa amanye amakhosikazi ukuthi hey phela ngesizulu kuthiwa icala livula ingubo lingene. Manje kahlahla usenza icala lapha lokumithisa. Yey, ngathi ngiyambona umanyeni esethi nje so unemali yokondla ingane entsha kodwa unayo imali yokuvusa umuzi wami. Yeah guys, so now the next scene, the next beautiful scene. Honestly guys, love is beautiful. Love was meant to be beautiful. Love is the most beautiful thing that happens between two people. And you know, to see how Musa was happily comfortable with Usamke, and also Samke guys, like Samke, I think what she did last night can never be undone. You know, the fact that she's a very young woman and she is very much aware of her body, and the things that makes her happy in the bedroom, and she is very much happy, looking forward to the bedroom activities. And I'm just like, babe, I like the fact that you're not shy. And I think Musa also was just like, oh, I'm happy, and Musa ke lana uyasho ukuthi lalela, if one thing about Usamke makes him feel like he's 16. Uthi nje ube noSamke kunale mizwa man that he feels that he cannot explain. Eyenza ukuthi nje azizwe ngathi una 16 again, 17 again kind of feelings, And let me tell you, Samke is happy. Samke is in her princess era. Usamke uziphilela kamnandi Usamke uziphilela kamnandi, and you can like legit tell ukuthi Usamke kahle kahle akanankinga, and she's happy with her man. And I think that's all that matters at this point right now, because Tina singasha my opinions but the most important thing right now Usamke, she is very, very much happy with her man. She is living in her bubble with her man. And guess sana Musa, one thing esiyaziyo ngaye ukuthi akakhona ukukhuluma. Nangoku uMusa ku diary ekhuluma noSamke sethi yena uhappy ngendaba yabo bobabili ehlofhlof. If there is one thing akahappy ngayo ihlofhlof yakhe noSamke ikutheni iwisa ngisho ugesi gereti. Uthi into akayithandayo ukuthi ufuna umuntu omfunayo. Uyasho ukuthi lo ngifunayo nami ngiyamfuna, ongangifuni I think it is what it is, asisafunani, so angeke ngenze lutho ngalokho ke. But ke guys, one thing about Usamke, uMusa is very happy. And guys, I mean vele uthando maselusha lisashisa livutha amalangabi, most likely vele emele likwenza uzizwe kanjalo, because uthando lusha but I think this is definitely what Musa needs right now, especially because he's healing from sickness and all that. So definitely he needs this for his mental health, because ume ekhaya especially eMzombe na uma yena uzofika emnqayi emthethisi wena Musa athatha so mayeni useya kwaMangwabi useyothethiswa futhi when you get. So at least when he's away noSamke, he get that excitement that everyone needs once in a while. So uMusa ke la uyam-explainela ke uSamke ukuthi kodwa mama sisazokufihla mama, like usazofihleka nje, usazoba ufihliwe, lalela igama lakho elisha kusazoba ufihliwe. Because uSamke even on the family trip asimbonanga, even though uSamke selotshuliwe, but guys kuse tricky lokwa ngempela. So ku family trip asimbonanga, kulontuzana what do you call this, so many gatherings guys. uSamke even now when uMusa came, I think uSamke nje usavumeleke leke ukuthi eze esipark, akavumeleki ukuthi eze eMzombe. So uMusa lana usam-explainela ukuthi mama kahle kahle nje, yes we are getting one step closer, but kusekude lokwangempela, eventually things will work out. But okwamanje okwangoku kumele nje ubeke phansi umoya understand ukuthi nje kusekude. So guys, angi-understand ukuthi uSamke kuzohlala kubo ezetete kuzoyenzakalani. But anyway guys, according to my understanding, we are halfway through season 8. Maybe a lot is still gonna happen, and we're still gonna see a lot within the season 8. So okwangoku what we know for sure ukuthi uMusa akampost uSamke ku Instagram, and uSamke is not allowed eMzombe. Those are things that we know for sure. Anyway guys, please do comment down below and tell me what do you think about this season, because hey, go crazy, guys. I'm saying go crazy. And personally, mina, I would have just, guys, kube kuya ngami ngabe angiyese imtholo season 9 ngikhabe uthando nesithembu luyaphela ku season 8, because at some point it's getting toxic. And I know as much as abafazi bakamusa bazohamba and we are getting annoyed kusihlale sibezo bethi bazohamba each and every time, but more than anything, personally, I don't wish for that family to break up and all that. And I think in the camera, it just makes the family even more toxic, okay? So nje kube kuya ngabe vele ngabe nje umusa useyiqeda le ndaba yethando nesithembu. I mean, we were entertained for 8 seasons. That family entertained us, okay? But honestly, I wouldn't want to see any wife leave. Like, I wouldn't at all. But it's all up to umusa ne2k like, because yay, we guys in yay when I tell you what love was in the air yesterday, love, yay Hey, Papa in guys in, I'll see you on the next one, and of course I am giving you more reviews, so then please do stay blessed and I love you.